Hey, welcome everybody. In this tutorial, you want to see about a Bootstrap complete crash course. It will cover HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. How to make easier to build a website or build and design of a website. Let's see how Bootstrap works. First, you need to set up a Bootstrap in your document. For that, you can use a CDN version, and otherwise you can use as a built-in data type like built-in files. For that, you need to download a file in Bootstrap. The Bootstrap website link was in the description below. You can just go and download it. Now this website is more flexible for the front end, like front end library. It's also called as front end library. Now the library is just a I can say that uh, like some more components are attached to this library. This is the most. You can see the codes here. Build responsive mobile first project on your web with world most popular front-end component library. It's one of the front-end library to make things easier and awesome. Now there are three types of type you can initialize in your file. One is installing by download button and download the files and keep it in your directory where you store the index.html, and otherwise you can use by CDN method. CDN method is often used in many sites. Just we can go through a CDN document, or you can download as a SAS file. For that, you need to get a command like $npm install bootstrap. After downloading this file, you need to type as npm install bootstrap. In this tutorial, you can see CDN version, that is will be the reliable and easy version to control it. Let's see how it works. Now I'm opening my text editor. I'm closing this and opening a new file. Just close it. And now I need to save a file. For that, choose a desktop, creating a new folder called my website. Inside that, I want to store the file called index.html. Now it is saved as index.html. Now it's ready to go on. Now you need to initialize the CDN version of CSS and JavaScript to work in your website. For that, let's click the get start button and copy this CSS link in this using this button. Copy to clipboard. It's copied, and go here, and now you need to create an HTML necessary files. Inside that, I want to give this document title name as web bootstrap. Yeah, below the title, inside the heading head tag, you need to paste that link where you copied from the bootstrap. This link you need to copy here. It's a CDN version. You can use by the web. It will be much slower than the when you download it from the download button. It's more faster, but the CDN version will be slower, but it's loading when a browser and internet speed to load a file. So you can use a download button to click and download, paste it the directory into the file where you creating your website. Otherwise, you can use the CDN method also. The CDN method consists of two types, and there will be two links called CSS link that need to be pasted inside the head tag, and another is JavaScript. JavaScript you need to paste inside the body. at the end of the body. Where you can store, it's your wish. Now I'm ready with my document. This is my Bootstrap complete setup. Or if you don't know how to set up this file, you can make using this starter file, starter template. Just copy the starter template and just paste it here. It is also a starter template for your Bootstrap. It's also available in Bootstrap. First, you can set up this file, or you can copy this file and paste it over here. It have the CDN versions of CSS and also a JavaScript. You don't need to worry how to make a Bootstrap setup. It's very easy and simple. And next, let's go with an components. First component is alert. Alert, if you see the many browsers, it looks like some in this time, that in this quarantine time, you can see that some browsers are looking up for the COVID-19 in the top of their website. It's mean by the alert. When you click the alert, it shows this time is a very important time, so you can't get this product in this website. This all mean by alert. Let's see this alert, how it works. When the alert shows in the browser, if you no need to see it anymore, you can click the close button to close it. This how this alert button works. This is the button behavior written by a JavaScript using jQuery. The jQuery is a simple and more reliable library to our HTML and CSS for JavaScript templates to make a website awesome and easier. This is the methods of alerting something to our website. Alert, you can see this alert, how the alert works. Let's see in the inspect. This is no need of worry. I'm showing that alert dot don't get in. Now I enter this shows the alert of something I written here in the console. Like that it works in the website. So this means by alert, if we need to use this example of alert with the background of blue color and text color as dark blue, you can just copy this code and go to your document. Inside that you can just paste it. And now if you open this in the browser, something that's loading. Okay, so now save it and open in the browser and refresh it. You will see this alert, how it works. This hello world is default in the starter template, so don't worry about it. Now we refresh it. Sorry, I want to save this file, and now we refresh it. There will be an alert. This is used in the simple Bootstrap application. And now you can use this any type of colors you want. Now I need to use this color, or you can modify code here. Just take it as primary and type it as danger. Now save the file and go to a document, and if you refresh it, there will be an alert of a color red. This will be more easier to look our website responsive. Now if you shrink that, it will be responsive. Now if you maximize that, it will be not responsive. Okay, this is the type of some alert functions. This also can be done in your browser. Just copy this and paste it here, save it, go and refresh. You will see this alert. If you click this close button, it will be fade out for a time and remove the function. The jQuery and JavaScript behaviors are triggering the function, just toggling it like fade out and fade in. And now the second thing is batch. Batch is a simple topic of using that, if you're releasing a new product in your website, so you need some existing designs, not existing designs, new feature of a design. So you need some unique feature to add that, to specify this is a new product. And now you can see that how you can specify this new product. Now I'm clicking H5, copy this, and now I'm deleting this, delete this, and paste it here. Sorry, I'm gonna save this and just refresh. There will be a feature of an now you can say that I will edit this example called um, grass cloth. Now I just save it and refresh this browser. There will be a grass cloth called new. This grass cloth is a new product in our browser. You can check it out. That's showing that a grass cloth is new. So you can change your color of your um, uh, badge. Primary. I'm clicking as primary and saving and refresh the file. You will see this color has been changed to the blue. It means there will be some more statements for coloring your variables. The primary means blue and danger means, yeah, this is the example. Primary means blue, danger means gray, success means green, danger red, secondary primary. All this info, it will be called as a tail blue, and light, the background will be light, and dark means the background will be dark, and the color of letters will be in white. This how look likes. You can use this span icon also. Just paste it here. Now if you save this file and refresh you can see that the color has been changed. Now you can see this clear. This color has been changed through tail blue. Tail blue is a color which have faded by the dark color, and this is how it looks like. So you can use this as in the rounded corners. Just add a pill means just a tablet or the pills to take it off. Like a pill, it will be in the rounded corner. Okay, you can use this batch as a link also using a href tag. Now let's copy this and paste it here. Now we refresh, it will be in the link form. If you click, there will be a link shown here. Hashtag means there is no defined, not a target at all. Other breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs is more easier and to make your website more clear. What are the data types are used in that, not a data type, what are the tabs and what are the features in your website to represent to the customers or the clients. Now you can use this by copying and paste it here. Now if you save and run this, there will be 3 features. If you need only this, you can just keep it this and delete to this navigation bar. These are works in the form of navigation. If you see this Bootstrap template, Bootstrap browser, there will be navigation bar. This is mean by navigation bar, where you need to go, where you need to navigate the icons, where you need to navigate the content. If you click this example, it will go to the example bar, example document, and if you click the icon, it will go to the icon. If you click the theme, it will go to the theme. If you download it, it will be downloaded in your document. You can change the browser. It's a drop down menus. Yeah, you will see this in seeing this video. And last, you can change this accessibility by using a svg icon. Svg is more complex icons. You can use the svgs to embed it. Now I'm using the SVG for getwaves.com getwaves.io. If I need to represent my documents using this SVG, now I go to this browser and making a style tag dot body and pasting the SVG file into it. Now I save and refresh my browser. There will be nothing because I had no style icons there. Right? Yeah. Body, background, image. I think now it's okay. Not working. Let's make it as URL. The Bootstrap is not supporting. I think it's not supporting. Let's make it in this double quotes. Okay, don't worry about that. It's literally like some body changes, so you don't need to worry at all. Okay, this is used for the SVGs to use this template in your document or folder that you want your wish. Now just copy this. I think now it will work. Oh no. Okay, no need to worry. Just close this style and save it file. Yeah, this will be the navigation bar, so you can use this breadcrumbs for tapping this. If you tap this, you will go to a next library or next data. Another is called button. How button works? Button is like we saw that alert use the breadcrumbs batches are represent like a button for the browser is most important because the button represents all. If I need to replace this li into a button, I can replace by pasting here. I need 3 buttons, so I am pasting 3 buttons here. There will be 3 buttons in the tab, so you can click this button and go to your website. Like you can do more with using Bootstrap. These are link button, this is a simple button, this is the input button, and this is submit button. This all comes from the tab. These are the hover buttons which have outlined by the default. When you hover it, it will change to red. Just see it in the using browser. Now I'm clearing this and paste. When I refresh, there will be a warning in the navigation bar. If you need to delete this alert, you can delete by clicking it. Now again you refresh, there will be a browser. Okay, if you hover this, if you get a mouse enter into this area of a button, it will change the color to black and background to yellow. It will be a function of a function or effect like a mouse over and mouse out. Mouse over, mouse out, mouse over, mouse out. Yeah, it's nice to see. Okay, another is a button group. I think this is the large button you can use by here. Okay, in this video you can build I will need to build a website for you, so it's very easy using a bootstrap. It's not interactive, but it will be more look awesome and pretty. So okay, another is button group. Button group is like a buttons, a bunch of groups. This all likes a button. You can test it out with the example. Now let's see in the card section. Cards is, you can see many cards in the many websites like this. There will be an image and card title, card graphics, and just copy and go to the browser and just paste. Now we refresh, there will be a card without having an image. If you need an image for this card, you need to insert some images for your card. There is no need of image in the now in this video. You can see after a 10 minutes or a few minutes later. After that, you can keep this image only with the paragraph tags and only with the image. These are the tabs, look like awesome and pretty stuffs are here. Yeah, in this card you have the image, card title, card paragraph, and the three tags and card links. This all using only, yeah, bootstrap templates. This goes somewhere, you can keep it in the footer tab. And yeah, this I see in many websites. Template these type of forms are used in many forms. Like 2 days ago, some of them posted the post in the blog. Okay, next you wanna see a corals. I mean the corals. Okay, just anything. Corals used in many websites to represent image in many bigger font. Like clicking this, you can slide a 3 images, otherwise it will be moved in the timer also. Just copy this code and paste it here, just save it, and you will see nothing here because I didn't add any of the photos. So you can just download an image of GTA 5 4K wallpapers. Okay, I'm just downloading images. Desktop, my website. I'm downloading a 3 images. Yeah, this look pretty cool. Yeah, it will be okay. Okay, it's not a JPG, it's a JIF. Yeah, now I'm replacing this two as download one dot JFIF. I'm replacing this two also, called download 2.jfif. I'm saving this and refresh. There'll be a 3 images. Now if you don't click this, it will be automatically move through it. Like, wait for a few seconds. Okay, there is a space between this download. I think now it's okay. Yeah, it's working. Cool. Now it will automatically move through it. I didn't make any changes in the mouse over, so it will be automatically moving here and there. You can see, you can click here to move there, or if you need to move automatically, it will move by there. It's called a coral of some slides. You click this. I think there will be some changes in more minutes. Okay, collapse is a example of defining some data types. It's very easy. Okay, let's build a website of an using this Bootstrap. Let's make this all in a collab, like a link over there. When I click the link, it will be fade in, fade out, sorry, slide in, slide out. These paragraph tags are inside this collab, looking like this. Okay, get into a drop down. Drop down means just if you click this drop down button, there will be some icons shown here. This is all doing. You can see in the version of a Bootstrap, there is a drop down. When you click this, there is menu for the Bootstrap, and a drop down link. There will be links for the drop down. It will be a link, and this will be a button. Two are same, but if you click this link, it will show you a hashtag in the browser. Is a primary link and secondary link and success. Okay, it's very cool. And this is a large split button. If we click this, it will taken to a website. If you click this drop down slide down button, then it will show the links of your drop downs. This is how drop down works. It's a drop up, it's a slide down, slide left, this is a drop left, this is a drop right, it's a drop right. Okay, let's see the forms are used in many websites for creating a sign up or sign in to make this website easier. Let's see this how it works. This is how sign up and sign in works. Before sign up and sign in, let's make a Jumbotron. What's mean by Jumbotron? Jumbotron is a file to cover your entire topic inside that, in the some background of a gray color, or if you need watercolor you can use. Just make it in a browser, just clearing this. Now I'm going to make a div and keep it a class as container. Container is also a class name used in Bootstrap. Now I copy this code and paste it here, just save it, and if you change this, there will be a form of container form. It will be inside the div. So okay, it will be okay, it will be a container. If you use the container class, it will modify the margin left and right, and it will show in the nice figure. So just go to a navbar. There are too many applications in our documents of components in the Bootstrap. We have crossed a bunch of things, so let's made with the navbars. This is called the navbar, and there will be example I will show here. This is called the navbar, and inside the navbar you will see a drop down link and another link, a search bar. You can copy this code and paste it inside the container. If you paste it here, there will be a navbar inside your document. If you shrink this, it will be responsive. If you use this in the phone, it will be more responsive when you compare to another. If you're coding for a while, coding for a week, a month, you won't code look like this, because a beginners will make all the time mistake. What I'm doing also a mistake called coding something like a month and the year. There will be nothing to copy in the paste, or it's not a copy in the paste. If you need to get a job in a good market and a marketplace, you need to understand the reference of the file, how it works, and how the hover works, how the click button works. You can change this type of this slide scroll button, how this drop down works, and how this search bar works. Now this is in the form of link. You can change this word by, it's called, yeah, here. This is a drop out. When you use in the phone, it will be more responsive when you use Bootstrap. Okay, we can create our e-commerce website. Let's create it. Let's go and modify as, let's keep it as hello world. this is the website for buying and selling the vegetables and fruits. This you can all the time you can keep it as and more informations yeah, if you save there'll be a slight change in the code. You can see this now. If I need to change the button color as I think its button color is orange, you can change it by the inner style tag called as style color as orange. It will work. I think it's color as orange. Now you need to change this background. Now it will be in the background color of orange. When you click this, it will go to a next next website. If I copy this code and just paste it here, now there will be a two websites. When you hover this, and you can change the color also as white. Yeah, it will be more easy to look when if it is in the responsive manner. Okay, just modify this drop down as vegetables, fruits, and keep it as logout. And if you don't need this type of search bar in this website, you can search here. This is a search bar. If you delete and see the change, there will be not any of a form. You can change the search bar as sign in. It will be more easy to look like this. This is a sign in bar, and you can go edit out, log it out, or you can make it in sign up. Learn more. For the learn more, you can type it as get started. When you click this get started, it will recommend you to sign up for the page. Let's keep our company name as Fruity Web. Yeah, it will be more fancy. You can add the icon here using the website called flat icons. Can this used by the flat icons, or I have the icon, so you can register and download it because now I have the icon to use in multiple users. So I'm okay. Just I will show that how it works. Now you need to use this browser for website. So I think I have a logo. Just keep there is nothing icon. I think you can. Okay, just keep this icon as French finger. It's not related to vegetable, but it's okay. I think it's okay. Let's go to our document and paste, and if you change rename as ff, and there will be a change in your browser. Not in the browser. If you need to change a code in a browser, and src and ff .png. If you refresh, it will be more bigger, so you need to custom the size. You can custom the size using width 100 pixels, height 100 pixels, and it will be more smaller, so you can use a style tag to style your width and height. If I change and refresh it, yeah, it will be easy to look, and I think this is more reliable to make your website. Yeah, we did it, and now you can change these utilities as none. This is the horizontal line you have ever seen in websites. This is the horizontal line ruler, so we can change this drop down as options are more. Yeah, when I refresh it, there will be a called as more. Inside the mode, there are three drop downs. You can save it this as vegetables, and this as fresh fruits. Sorry. Now, if you need to log out of this page, you can use this as log out. If I change this and refresh, there will be nothing changed. You can see this drop down. Yeah, there is two icons called vegetables, and these are in the form of link, so you can, when you touch, it will go to the next page. This is in the form of link, it will be logged out. Okay, next in the Bootstrap, we have seen Jumbotron Container. This all Jumbotron is mean by these icons, and container will pad these two margins, and at last we can see our Bootstrap code. Okay, just see the models or forms. Just see the models first. Models means when you click something here like sign in, it will glow up here and glow up in the page, and it will show that you need to sign in or not, like this. Just click and see, this is the model. Now I can copy this type of documents, so copying this and paste it here. Now I need to copy this class as a model. Now you can copy this data, and you need to keep it in the inside of this button. Paste it here, save, and you will see the change called something live demo. It will be here, or if you click this sign up, there will be a sign up change. So you can use this in various ways to make a website. This will be more easy and reliable and comfortable to use to make a website. So just take this color style, copy this and paste, and now it will be okay. When you click this sign in, there will be called a save change, and there will be a model. And I told that I will say the form, how the form works. So you can see this form, there will be some, sorry, that's a call. Just you can see this email address, so I can keep this form inside my model. Just see here in the model, just paste, and You can refresh. Now we will see this now, but all get stuck. Not stuck, it's working. When you click this sign in, it will show you the email, password, and submit. If you don't need to have this two tab, you can use the submit button also. Just see it. Just remove this submit and refresh. If I click sign in, it will shows me this two email, password, and save the change. And you can change this as sign in or log into our browser. This email address to get email address, it will be more easy when you use Bootstrap. Yeah, thank you for watching this video. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel, and to watch the content regularly, please press the bell icon to get notified, and just make it as a like button to have a like for my video, and just see you in the next video guys, like this. Okay, signing off from Vicky. Bye.